So the way that we are showing our team members to drive posts now, we're showing them how to do it by themselves, specifically what we were looking for. This is his first time doing it by himself, so he's working through the process. He's using the SpaceX tool, and he's going and pinning that with the stake just to make sure that SpaceX doesn't move on him while he's trying to line up and plumb out the eye post he's getting ready to drive. As he puts the eye post into the driver and stands it up, he's going to use one hand really high and then the other hand low to kind of move that post around, manipulate the location of the post so that prior to driving, the post is exactly in the right spot. He'll plumb that post up. Once it's plumbed, he'll put a tick mark on the string line, and what that tick mark does, it may not necessarily be exactly the edge of the post, it's a reference point. At that point, he will re-plumb the post one more time and look when the post is plumbed where in relation the tick mark is to the post. It might be right on it. It might be 1/8 of an inch outside of it, 1/8 of an inch inside of it, 3/16 of an inch out, 1/4 inch out. It really doesn't matter what it is as long as he takes a mental note, we call it a sight picture, of the relationship of that mark and the post. And then as he drives, he just keeps that relationship consistent, as well as a consistent space between the string line or equalizer and the post. We let him see a little bit of daylight in there so that we're not impacting the line as we drive. And then he has the easy height tool on there. That's going to tell him when he's at full depth.